Welcome to
Bugsy Malone Inc. Bali Tattoo Studio. Yeah. More tattoo,
more
sexy.
more to do, more sexy.
Mr. Brown is ready to wait at our studio. Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo. Bali! Hey, who is one? Want to make tattoo? Come here! At our studio, Bugsy Malone Inc. Bali, come to Bugsy Malone, let's discuss it. Plan the picture, plan the story, experience artist. Also a super tattoo designer with us, super artist, super quality. We are Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo. Yeah, we'll give best one quality. We are Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo. We'll try more professional quality. We are Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo.
We guarantee the best one, high quality.
Come here and let's discuss. To our studio located at Nakula Street, Seminyak, Bali.
Senyak Kutabali, we guarantee the best one.
Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo Bali. Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo. Yeah, we'll give best one quality. We are Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo. We'll try more professional quality. We are
Bugsy Malone Studio Tat. We guarantee the best one, high quality. Bugsy Malone Studio Tat.
Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo.
Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo Bali.
Bugsy Malone.
Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo.
We all will give best one.
Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo.
We guarantee the best for you.
Yeah, Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo Bali. Bugsy Malone. Bugsy Malone. Bugsy Malone Studio, Bugsy Malone. Bugsy Malone. Bugsy Malone.
Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo. We guarantee the best for you.
Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo with professional team and experience. We are Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo, not this one, but we'll do beat. We are Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo.
We guarantee the best one, high quality.
Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo Bali.
Bugsy Malone.
Bugsy Malone. Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo. Bugsy Malone. Bugsy Malone. Bugsy Malone. Bugsy Malone. Bugsy Malone Inc. Bugsy Malone. Bugsy Malone. Yeah. More tattoo. More sexy.
More to do, more sexy.
Mr. Brown is ready to wait at our studio. Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo.
Bali.
Hey, who is one? Want to make tattoo?
Come here.
At our studio, Bugsy Malone Inc. Bali, come to Bugsy Malone, let's discuss it. Plan the picture, plan the story, experience artist. Also a super tattoo designer with our super artist, super quality. We are Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo. We all give the best one, best quality. We are Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo. We'll try more professional quality. We are Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo.
We guarantee the best one, high quality.
Come here and let's discuss. To our studio located at Nakula Street, Seminyak, Bali.
Senyak Kutabali, we guarantee the best one.
Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo Bali. Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo Lee. Bugsy Malone. Bugsy Malone.
Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo. We guarantee the best for you.
Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo by professional professional team and experienced. We are Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo. Not this one, but we'll do beat. We are Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo.
We guarantee the best one, high quality.
Bugsy Malone Studio Tattoo Bali.